Hello neighbors, I'm Cory here with Option Realty Group. Many of you know me. I want to introduce you to my go-to inspector, BJ, from Inspect and Check. He's here to give us some helpful tips today on home ownership.
Hi guys, thank you for having me. Look forward to helping you out with your homes.
We're here at University Village in the condos. And for today's quick tip, we just wanted to clarify because it seems to be a little bit of confusion. So in your hallway, up at this register, this grill up here in the hallway above your bathroom is where your furnace is. However, your furnace filter, which you want to check monthly, what I tell people is put a reminder in your phone to check it monthly. If it's clean, just let it ride to the next month. But your furnace filter is actually by your front door up here in this grill. You're going to need a ladder to get up here and a small little flat blade screwdriver. And this is all plastic. All you need to do is just give it a quarter turn counterclockwise and it'll undo the latches. And then this grate will fold down and you'll have access to your filter. You just pull it out, put the new one in, set the bottom in place, and then give it a push. Push this grate back in place, and then tighten up these two screws by turning them a quarter turn clockwise.
Thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate your time. You can reach BJ at
773-403-3298.
And you can reach me on my cell anytime at 312-218-4483. Thank you.